This is your bulletproof. Whether you're single, whether you're married, you need to do something. You need to be financially independent. You don't need to depend on anyone to carry your load for you. And this is how you can start. It's no longer news that as women we need money, daily money, everyday money to be able to take care of ourselves, to look good, to look beautiful, to be able to solve our needs. Because right now they're asking, what are you bringing to the table? Have you had that question trending online right now? You're a woman. You come as a woman. Now, right now, they're turning women to providers. Because how can you be asking what a woman provides? How can you be asking what a woman brings to the table when you actually know what a woman brings to the table? A woman is a supporter, is a better half. At the same time, this is why we should all be financially stable and independent. We all know the news that is flying everywhere, asking people, what are you bringing to the table? How can you get married to a woman right now? The woman takes care of the home. The woman cooks your food. The woman, take best children for you. And you are asking what a woman brings to the table. Indirectly, the smart women, we know what they are talking about. And we need to actually show them what we are made of to be able to take care of ourselves, take care of our needs, take care of our families is very, very important as a woman. So right now, the world has changed. The world is evolving into something else, and we need to prove that to ourselves in case of anything. A woman being financially independent is a bulletproof for you to live, for you to sustain. And this is what we should be doing to find how we can be financially stable, taking care of ourselves. What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 17 business ideas that you can actually start as a woman if you want to become financially independent. Right now, it is no longer news that women are supporting themselves. And for you to be able to support yourself, you need something tangible to be doing. We don't need to depend on any other one. We are to depend on ourselves right now. And there are lots and lots of business ideas that you can actually start today as a woman. The only problem that we have today is to start. Starting is our own personal problem. But I guarantee you that if you choose one of these businesses right now, master it. Anyone that you have the ambition, because sometimes we have lots and lots of ideas in our heads, but we don't know the way to start. You need to be guided and choose the one that you know that you have passion for. Choose the one that you know that you have love for. So right now, guys, let's dive into this video, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are a new subscriber, thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please use this opportunity right now. Hit on the notification button and subscribe to my channel. Now, guys, girls, because this time is girls, let's go. The first business on my list that you can actually start today that can guarantee you success rates is to become a podcaster. Girl, if you have this ambition, I know so many of us have been nursing all of this ambition, but you don't actually know how to start. You can start. If you have flair for media, you have passion for media, you can actually start your podcast. The only thing that you need to do is to create a space in your home. You don't need to go and borrow a studio if you cannot pay for it, because those studios, they actually pay for it. It's a rental service. So make a space in your home. You can actually start podcasting on YouTube. You can start on Apple. You can also start on Spotify. Put yourself out there and start talking. There are random topics that you can actually talk about. And before you know it, you start getting subscribers. You start getting followers, and brands will start noticing you. Before you know, you have monetized your business. Anyone can do it. And with time, you can also start inviting your friends so that you can actually discuss some certain things. The best place that you can actually choose some topics, viral topics, is on Twitter. X app is where people, most times, they pick some of the topics they talk on their podcast. So you can actually start it. Pick a name for yourself, pick a niche, and let's go. The next business on my list that you can actually start today is buying and selling. Buying and selling, whether you are starting online or you're starting offline, right now there are lots and lots of products that you can discover, unique items that you can actually sell as a woman and start making money. This is no news. You can start a fashion boutique. You can start selling kitchen equipment. You can start selling gadgets. You can start selling baby products. You can start selling different kinds of items. Or if you have a unique product on your own that you made by yourself, you can also start selling them on Etsy. There are platforms, marketplaces where you can actually market your products. It's no longer news, girls. If you're looking for money and you want to start something, you don't want to start working your 9 to 5 daily jobs, you can also start, you know, half time, not full time, and test the waters. I normally talk about testing the waters before you go full time. Start part time first. And if you don't have money to start your own buying and selling, you can also go into drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the ways that you can start a business without no money. And you can also go into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you don't actually need to use money to start. All you need is to promote some services and their products for you to be able to get paid. Once someone buys from them, they pay you your commission. So you should be ready to promote and work. There's no free money, guys, but there are smart ways of making this money. Then the next business on my list that you can actually start today as a woman and be financially independent is makeup artist, to become a makeup artist. If you have passion for making people look beautiful, this one you don't even need certificates or anything. All you need is training to enhance your skills about this. So you can start making people up, your family members and all of that, and do videos and do content about that. Right now, there is no event that doesn't need makeup. People are making up like now I did my makeup by myself. I don't know, I'm not a makeup artist, but at least I have something on my face I can go with. Events, wedding, they are using makeup artists. I see sometimes celebrities, they travel to different towns and they said, if you are in this town, I need a makeup artist. So once you put yourself as an authority and someone that can actually do this thing, you have them covered and you will be paid for it. Imagine you have 50 people, or let me use 10 people, bridal train, and your company is going to make them up. Or people that are doing pageants, people that are even going for different kinds of events right now, because right this time events are growing. People are doing more outdoor programs and they need their face to be pumping. And who is going to do it for them? You, of course. And the next business on my list right now, number 4, is personal chef. Personal chef right now is making money for people. A lot of people don't have time to cook. And who is going to cook for them? You, of course. If you have the passion, you have the love, you have the skills of a chef, you can be that person. Promote yourself. Promote yourself and let people see you. Stop hiding yourself. You know you can cook like me. I know how to cook. You understand? So if I don't have passion for cooking, I will not cook. And you can as well start your personal classes, cooking classes online, whether it's online or offline. Any of this is working, and you collect your money and make your money. I see people they promote pot of soup, pot of any kind, subscription box to through food delivery, and you can as well make money. And even Hilda Basi, I watched Ugo, you understand, the basketballer from America, United States of Nigeria, when he came for his homecoming with his family and his mother. It was Hilda Basi that was their personal chef. Imagine. Hilda might have collected thousands of dollars to be able to do that program, to become their personal chef, maybe throughout the time in Nigeria. So you can promote yourself. Anybody can see you. You can be lucky. That's just what we're talking about. And the next thing, business ideas on my list is to become a consultant. Right now, women are consultants. It doesn't only mean to become only men. Women are looking for money as well. And if you know that you have the skills, you have the capacity and abilities to become a consultant, why not present yourself, get your certificates, start writing to companies. You know your field. Approach them and you might be lucky. You understand? This is what people are doing today, making money. And the next business on my list as a woman, if you want to be financially independent, have your own money, is to become a fashion designer or a stylist. People are looking for stylists. You can become their consultants. They can approach you. You know, some of these events, the movies, and all of that, they style them. They need people that will style them. You can also become a fashion designer. You can also become a tailor. You know how to sew. You see lots of them, they collect thousands of money to be able to sew for somebody. So if you have the abilities, you have the ambition, you have been nursing this ambition, you have this passion, you know how to sew, you need to improve yourself and register yourself in a training school, fashion school. I tell you, you're not going to regret this. Anyone that you know that you can actually do, pick one and go on about it. And the next business on my list right now that you can actually do is to create mobile apps and creating website. If you have experience in software and coding, if you have the ambition, you can put yourself in training and learn the skills. Women are doing it. This is not only business for men. Sometimes we just say, okay, this one is for men. There's nothing like this one is for men. The same brain that we have is the same brain men have. There are 2.8 million apps, mobile apps in this world. And who are the creators? Human being. So if you know that you can actually create apps, the floor is yours, guys. Put yourself there, women and ladies, and grab this money. The next one is video editing. Right now, demand for video is increasing right now on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube. People that are doing movies, people are doing content, and they need someone that can edit their videos for them. You know you have the quality, the skills. Some people do certain things more than each other. It's a gift, it's a talent. And you know that you have discovered your own talent. You can put yourself up there and become video editor. People generate content with AI. You can use AI tools to be able to edit your own videos, and is making money for people. You are looking for something to do, guys. This is your flow. And the next business that you can actually start as a woman is what? I'm thinking is to become a fitness coach. Right now, I see lots and lots of videos about women, you know, doing the physical exercises, showcasing, showing people how to lose weight, how to look good, and all of that. You know, you have the passion. You know, you love gym. You know how to do all of that. This is making money for people. Put yourself out there, start doing your own videos. I saw one lady, she's even selling her own mash. She sells her body fit, selling, showing people how the kind of food that she eats for her to be that way. Some people want to increase their boots naturally. You can start showing them how to do that. You pay. It's not free of charge. Any content you consume, you are going to pay for that. Nothing is free right now. All businesses are monetized, whether it's online, whether it's offline. And the next business is to become a blogger. Right now, if you have the writing skills, you know how to write, you can create your own website and start blogging. Find the popular demand and start writing. Before you know it, some people make up to $500 a month. As time goes on, they keep making money. We have lots of bloggers that are rich. You know that. There's no news about this. If you have some people even become ghostwriter, they write articles and all of that and promote. You get your sponsored ad, get your Google AdSense on that. That is how they monetize it. Put up space for sale on your own site and you start making money. The next business idea that you can become and start making money, keep you financially independent from any hassles, is to become an interior designer. You have skills, good eyes for decorations, home decor. People see, if you see some luxury homes, you'll be asking, who did this? Please, I want the person that did this particular thing to come and do my own for me. You have the skills. We have lots of talents moving inside us that we need to unleash. You can become an interior decorator and you charge people for money. that comes for you to, to decorate their homes and make them beautiful. You know how to attach all these interior designs, seats, sofa, wall painting, all of that. You know how to bring them together. This is actually making money for people, guys. And the next business that you can actually do today and start making money as a woman is to become an entertainer. Entertainment right now is top notch. There's no two ways about it. You want to act, you want to sing, the floor is yours. Go to training school, find someone that can train your voice and put yourself there. If you want to sing, people go to shows right now to watch. People listen to your music. You make money too digital, putting your song on digital platforms. You can even start your own small movies. Some people are doing skits and it's working for them. We are watching all these people and they are grabbing this money. If you have the passion, you have the ambition to do your own, this is the time for you to start something. And we are in 2024 for you to decide right now. As long as you are a woman, you have to grab the money. There's nothing like, I'm waiting for my man, I'm waiting for anybody to give me money. This is time. And the next business on my list that you can actually start today is event planner. There are quite lots of events right now. You can plan charity events, you can plan wedding, you can plan conference, you can plan convention. People don't have time to do this. They need someone that can do all of this for them. And if you know that you can be that person, put yourself there and get the skills. The next business item that I am going to be showing you right now, if you're looking for a business as a woman, is to start a rental business. There are lots and lots of business ideas, rental business ideas that you can actually start today. A rental business is one of them. So choose the popular demand. If you're looking for financial stability as a woman, the next business on my list is to start your own rental business company. Right now is not every item that people are buying to use for some certain things. They need to rent them because they need to use them once in a lifetime. So why buy them? So they need you to provide those services for them. So if you want to start your own rental business ideas, it is a perfect one, and you can look for the ones that are popular in demand. That is the kind of business, a rental business ideas that you can actually start today. And the next business on my list that you can actually start today is child daycare. Start a daycare center for children. If you like children and you know that you can actually take care of children, this is one of the business that you can actually start today. Make sure you register yourself to be able to start children daycare center. Is actually a good business for you to start. And the next business on my list that you can actually start today is to become a life coach. Life coach today is making money for people. You help people, help them to achieve their goals in their relationships, in their careers, in their studies. Anyone can start this. You need to be certified as well so that they can consult you and you charge per section. Anybody, you can also, I hear people talk about relationship, talk about certain things on social media content. They package it as a content and sell to people. People will book for sections and pay you. You can also start telling us topics, start sending them items, package your services for them to buy. You can also package your services for people to buy. And the next business that you can actually start today is beauty salon. Beauty salon today, if you want to become financially stable, is one of the business that is making money for people. To do hair, you need to pay money. To make your nails, you need to pay money. To do your legs, you need to pay money. Do your face, let it be pumping. You need to pay money. So if you know you have the skills if you know you have the skills to be able to start up your beauty salon, start your beauty salon right now. It's one of the business that can keep you financially stable. People are selling hair in that same salon. You can start selling hair, start selling beauty products as well inside your salon. And you can also add it fashion product items as well that you can actually sell today. Guys, there is no going back if you're looking for something to do right now. See you next time. Bye bye.